another day, another video. And at the moment I'm just pulling all the wires off the roof. And pulled the glove box out, everything else. Some more bits and pieces. Now it's just about popping shit off. Just like that. Just pulling the carpet out now, just move some shit out of the way. And then the GU Patrol's under the third layer of carpet at the back of the car. They have these 4 screws that line across that run the carpet. You've got your seat belts. I'm leaving all of them in there. They got all these little things here. That's actually meant to be for this thing, yeah, I can't remember where this one belongs. Not that one. Tell me. I'll find out. There you got the 4 seat, you got all your seat belts. These ones over here, those you gotta worry about, but you just gotta pull these 4 out. And then you can pull the carpet up. So, I'll give it back to you when I pull that out. Pull the carpet out. Don't forget about these, I nearly forgot about them. I just seen them, I was like, oh, whoops. There's only 2 of these. If I can get the fucking thing under it. Oh, okay. Come out then. And go there, seat screws. This is why I'm also pulling everything up to find everything. Because if people don't know what that is there, that's rust from water sitting and shit. And if I didn't check it up and see how bad it was, over the next couple of years that could go right through my floor and I've got to do all this again. So that's why I'm going through the entire car. Just pull up the fuel cap real quick on the, or fuel cover on the second tank. Look at all the dirt. Surprised me to see how bad the main tank is, because that's at the back of the car. This is in the middle of the car. Another day. Well, I've moved some more wires and shit from inside there. Pulled this one out. Some more bits and pieces. Now I've moved under the cab. Hello, mate. What are you doing, pup? I'm just walking over all my shit. Move, come on. Snapped the bolt, sadly, but yeah, that's alright. It's only inside the chassis. Whoops. Figuring out these body looms and stuff here, so I can get these out. But they're fucking caked of dirt. But I'll get back to you to pull them once I pull these out. Well, there's out. That's one part of the cab loom. Left hand side, at least, they're a struggle to get out. No time to figure that shit out. Well, we got a bit further. We got the dash off, cluster out. Mrs. is pulling little bits and pieces off. Steering wheel down. That's just a dash brace, cab brace thing, or whatever they call it. And then the rest of the shit, and then the whole interior is pretty much empty. And then the carpet, and that's it. We'll get back to you soon once we pull more shit out. Boy. Been a bit too busy. I did a Series 4 facelift, rad supports full swap. I've completely gutted the interior, engine bay. There's like next to nothing left. Nope. Some things underneath. That's my cut line, but I sort of did it, but I got the windows out. And it doesn't look the greatest on the top, so I want to redo it because I got Alex's measurements and I was a little bit wonky. Dash is out. The interior is pretty much empty. Everything's stored in that room in there, but there's nothing left really. It's just this little bit. And then on the interior is pretty much stripped. Got the whole loom out earlier. That was a mission. So yeah, I just need some more bits.